Welcome back, folks. We are going to talk about how you can save a ton of money on your flood insurance if you have an elevation certificate. Now, a lot of you are going to confuse the elevation certificate with a property survey or a flood certificate. It's none of those. A flood certificate has some basic location metrics about the location of your property, which floodplain it is zone A, zone B, zone V. A property survey is an entirely different thing. An elevation certificate is a tool specifically designed by FEMA to be used by the insurance agents. Not so much for you, it's for the insurance agents. So when they quote you flood insurance, the insurance agents are supposed to put in certain ratings for certain parts of the forms that they fill out. And in the absence of an elevation certificate, they would put the highest rating to cover all their areas, cover all their bases, which in turn adds up to your annual flood insurance. So in the absence of an elevation certificate, and if it comes favorable to you, you could reduce your flood insurance premium from, say, $2,000 a year to as low as $400 a year. It is a tool designed by FEMA, by a National Flood Insurance Program. So it's a very helpful tool. So what it does is basically a surveyor or an engineer who comes to your property and determines what is the elevation of your property from the baseline surface level of the water in that area. And it's nothing to do with sea level. It is the baseline water levels in your area. And depending on how high your property is, some of us have properties that are sitting on an elevated platform which is higher than the street level. So in those cases, the elevation certificate can really go a long way in saving you a ton of money on your flood insurance premium. Do elevation certificates expire? They don't expire, but they may become outdated over a number of 5-10 years when the baseline water levels change in your immediate area of your floodplain. So with that said, if you find this information helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with more relevant information from you in the near future. Thank you.